In a world where change is the only constant, Choumil stands at the forefront, guiding title professionals to not just grow their businesses, but to master the art of innovation. With every episode, you're handed the keys to unlock unparalleled growth and stay ahead of the curve. Get ready for a transformative journey.
Hi, everyone. It's Hope Ottoviani back for another segment on AI in the industry. As you all know, the last one I had with Mo, we talked about leveraging AI, not just in our personal lives, but also in professional lives and in the real estate title industry. So today I want to discuss AI, how I utilize it in the past, in the present, and how I can utilize it in the future. And not just personally on looking up ideas for what to eat for dinner or how to deal with my kids' homework, but also professionally on how to handle employees, difficult conversations, and SOPs. So AI, we all know, is ever changing, it's dynamic, but it's also what you feed it. I don't see it as something that's going to completely take over the world or take over what I do. I see it as my companion, as my right hand, and a way for me to feed it what's in my head so it can produce something quicker and something that I can give my employees or team members at a quicker rate. So I see it as a way to save time, mitigate any errors, and also help me with those challenges of the unknown. So today, let's discuss the opportunities in leveraging AI. And first, I want us all to just think about some challenges that you guys face every day in your position. And this could be any position. It could be a leadership position, a processing operational position, or a sales position. But just get your thoughts on paper or on ChatGPT and then prioritize. So what I usually do is if I need something done quickly, I say I'm in back-to-back meetings every single day. I don't have time to create operating procedures and handbooks and manuals. So I utilize ChatGPT and Gamma and other apps to help me produce something formal and professional. So what I do is I just create my challenges. What do I need to work on this week or today? And then I prioritize. So think about some challenges that you have. For me, it's creating SOPs for joint ventures, creating SOPs for processing and notary policies, and there is just the list goes on. But also, I have a lot of difficult conversations I've had to do lately. So I will use ChatGPT to help me with conversations that are, maybe use different tones because maybe I may be a little abrupt, but this way it'll give me a script that makes the tone a little softer. So for me, let's go over some SOPs, some policies I've had to create, and then I can show you how to put that into Gamma, which is like a PowerPoint app, and it spits out a PowerPoint in seconds. So I'm going to use, we're in my ChatGPT. This is the free version. You can upgrade the version and pay for it monthly, and it gives you a lot more functionality. But for now, let's just go through. As you can see, this is my personal one. So we've got real estate contracts, SOPs. Look at that, Bailey's Irish Cream. How many calories are in a Bailey's Irish Cream? I don't know. Google's very ambiguous, but ask ChatGPT. Introduction videos. I've got Valentine's Day gift ideas because what do you get your husband on Valentine's Day? I don't know. So Virginia interpleader filers, like I'm asking, can an escrow agent do it or does it have to be an attorney? Stuff like that I don't know everything. I'm a jack of all trades, master of none. So I use this as my right hand to kind of help me streamline my thoughts. Colorado layoff communication. There's so much more that I utilize it, and I've been utilizing it a lot. But for now, let's just kind of create one. Okay, so I'm going to create a new chat and say I need to create a standard operating procedure on a formal notary policy. Now, you could create it like that, and it's going to pull information, but I want it to cater to what my company needs and what my employees need. So I want to make sure it adds, please add that the sales rep needs to close their own business they originate, right? Any outsourced notaries will be paid or 5, whatever. Any more information you feed it, the better the result. So for example, let's just spit that out. Let's hit enter. And in seconds, most of you are familiar with what ChatGPT does, but this gives me 2 responses, and which one I like better than I can use. So we have 2 here, and I'm going to just choose one. It's still typing. Okay, and this is great. Let's just go with this one because it's already done. So what's going to happen is you get to choose one and then you can import it. But what if I want to make it a PowerPoint? Say we're doing a national kickoff call for the entire company and I need to have a PowerPoint ready tomorrow because I'm a procrastinator. So I can copy and paste. I prefer this response. I can copy this, go to my Gamma, create an AI PowerPoint just by uploading the text. Okay, and I'm going to say I want a 6-slide presentation. Sure. You can do a web page, document, or social media as well. I'm going to continue through my Gamma app. I'm going to go, I want 9 cards. Nah, I don't need that many. I'll do, 6 or whatever. So you can adjust the card total. You can condense it, blah, blah, blah. There's so much you can do. So I'm just going to continue for kicks and giggles. I can choose a theme. I like professional themes. This looks good. And then you can generate. So now, in less than 5 minutes, I was able to create a formal standard operating procedure, import it into a final PowerPoint, and I'm ready to go for my presentation tomorrow. So this is phenomenal, and it gives you, images and stuff, which you can swap out for personal images or other stuff. But now I have a foundation that I can work off of, adjust, and produce. So this is why I use AI as ChatGPT, Gamma, Canva, anything that Zoom has AI now, it's everywhere. And don't look at it as something that's going to take over everything. Look at it as a companion. Look at it as something that's going to help you do your job faster, quicker, and more efficient so that you can focus on things that matter more. I hope that this was a little informative, and I hope that you guys continue to use it in the title industry or in any industry that you're in, and just feed it all the information that's jumbled up here to get that better result. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Until next time.
In a world where change is the only constant, Choumil stands at the forefront, guiding title professionals to not just grow their businesses, but to master the art of innovation. With every episode, you're handed the keys to unlock unparalleled growth and stay ahead of the curve. Get ready for a transformative journey